Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone and happy Halloween. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Halloween-inspired yogurt parfait. The thing that's great about this is if you love Halloween, you love candy corn, it has that visual, but it doesn't have all that extra sugar. So it's a nice, healthy way just to start off your day before you start binge eating all of your favorite Halloween treats. I'm also going to go over some fun pineapple facts, like how they grow. And we're going to talk a little bit about that whole pineapple sex thing. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, but let me show you. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first part of this parfait begins with some of our yogurt and some yellow food dye. We're making the orange part of the candy corn. Then we're gonna add a little bit of red and just mix that all together. Definitely needs a bit more red. Now we're going to add in our mandarin oranges. Get those fully covered. Let's go transfer that. Add a few drops of yellow dye there. Mix that together. Add in our pineapple and just fold it all together. So did you know that pineapples are kind of cool in the sense that they can kind of like just regenerate themselves? You actually can grow a whole pineapple tree from just the leaf of one pineapple. Super cool, huh? Just thought I would share that with you. The difference here for the mandarin oranges, we did mostly yogurt. Here we're doing mostly pineapple. We're just kind of coating it with some yogurt. Okay, let's transfer that to our cups. Okay, so let's be real. Guys, pineapple juice, anything related to pineapple, it don't make the stuff taste better. Stop spreading that myth. Stop telling your girlfriend that, stop telling your boyfriend that, stop telling everyone that. It's not true. Okay, let's get back to making this parfait. And now we're just gonna carefully add our pineapple in. Now I'm gonna add in the orange part. And we're just going to top it off with the white part. And there you go. Enjoy. So that's all it takes to make it, right? Not too bad. Pretty simple, a few ingredients, and a really nice visual. Also, super healthy. You're not eating buckets of candy corn. A great way to kick off Halloween. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. I'm always looking for inspiration. I'll see you guys next time and have a happy Halloween.